Today, we will see how to install, update and remove the Nagaland fonts in Windows PC. What are the prerequisites before installing the files? Obviously, you need a web browser to navigate the website. You can use browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, or any of your favorite browser. For this video, we use Firefox browser. Don't miss a single step. Enjoy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Now, we're in.
We can sit together.
Accept the site agreement. You can check out the project screenshot. In this section, we're going to directly download the file. Don't forget to check the latest version. Higher number is newest. You can find some useful info here.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
If you use Internet Download Manager, you can drag the file directly into the desktop. Let's make a folder, name it anything.
Forever free, you and me.
And drag the downloaded file into the folder.
In the great outdoor.
From here, to open the file, depending on your Windows version, you might need to download Archive Extractor. Here, we use 7-zip to extract. More necessary information are present in the zip file. You can take time to read through. These are the two font files. It is not necessary to install both. Remember to install only one of them. We can now start typing on documents with our own font. Windows 10 comes with a useful feature called Touch Keyboard. Here's how to enable it. There was a strange display caused by either the Windows system or the font file. Hopefully, someone will fix it. You can interchange between types of font face. At this point, if you check back, the characters you have written will come out weird. That is because the different signs are dependent on the downloaded font file. Whenever a new version of the file is out, you can simply follow the same step and double-click the file and install again. Pardon us for taking a long time. The font is elegant to the eye. That's pretty much over for installing font file in Windows. Drop your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.